everybody, my name is Barry Schwartz and this is Search Buzz Video Recap. Today is Friday, December 7th, and this is the search news we covered over at the Search Engine Roundtable, seroundtable.com over the past week. First, I posted my big Google Webmaster report for December. It goes over the main and most important stories that were covered over the past 30 days related to Google Webmaster and SEO related topics. Google ranking updates, the zero results feature coming out, the new Google sticky header, Google delisting search engine land, new structured data around FAQs. I'm sorry, not FAQs, but Q&A pages. Fixing some big Google News indexing bug, lazy loading content SEO, and AMP facts, and so forth. So definitely take a look at that to catch up. There's a lot there, but I try to summarize them only the more important things. Looking around November 30th, a week ago today, there was another Google update. So definitely take a look at your rankings to see if you were impacted by that. There was definitely a lot of chatter, and the chatter is kind of still lingering on right now. Google launched their sticky header, meaning a search results page that as you scroll down, let me see if I have a GIF here. As you scroll down the page, the header itself sticks. So there's the top, and it actually comes down and sticks to the top of the page. And they actually launched that, I think, late Friday night. Google, DuckDuckGo came out with a study surveying, I think, like 80 or so people or something like that, saying Google search results influence what people search for, this filter bubble. And there was actually 87 completed result sets, 76 on desktop and 11 on mobile, that proved this study showing that that Google has this personalized results create this filter bubble. And Danny Sullivan said on the Search Alliance account, it's not true. There's lots of myths around that, and he goes through examples of why that's not true. And in fact, Danny Sullivan on his personal account all day yesterday was defending this as well. So it's pretty interesting to read that and so forth. Search engine, like we covered last week, Search Engine Land was actually delisted over a mistaken hack. Google thought the site was hacked, removed Google Search Engine Land from the index. And then there's a poll done by Colin saying, do you think Google should completely remove a website that it suspects is serving hacked or malware content? And now, so the results were basically 64% said no, a warning in the search results is enough. 36% said yes, they should remove the whole thing completely. And it's not just black and white, because some sites are hacked with bad malicious stuff, and some sites are hacked where it's not malicious. So obviously there's I guess kind of a threshold that Google maybe uses. We're not sure what that threshold is. What it is. Google announced they have a new live streaming support, so they actually can show live streams directly in the search results using a carousel option. And with that, you need to actually use what's called structured data for live streams and indexing API to say, hey, Google, hey, our live stream is actually live now, and it's a faster way for Google to pick up on those live streams. Google announced that there was some data loss, specifically around Google image search in Google Search Console's performance report. Google posted a message in the data anomalies page saying some data for clicks in Google Images from mobile devices were dropped. It's not sure how long of a period the image search data was dropped, but it started on December 1st and will last for who knows until they updated the page. Let me quickly see if they updated the page. So if you see any weird data there, no, it still says onward. So we're not sure exactly how long that will happen at this point. Google also announced that in the Google Search Console, the old version, several of the old Search Console reports are being sunsetted on December 13th. There are replacements for them in the new Google Search Console. So reports like search analytics, links to your sites, internal links, manual actions, mobile usability, and index status reports are all going away in the old Google Search Console reports. Google Image Search said they updated their best practices guides. I really didn't see many changes at all. Maybe some formatting changes, a couple things here and there, but nothing significant. So definitely take a look at the new best practices just to make sure you're fresh on that. But I haven't seen many changes between the old and the new one. Google added structured data for Q&A pages, question and answer pages, not for FAQ pages, but for question and answer pages. And there's a new structured data type around that, and that's really designed for these types of top answers, showing the answers in the search result, this carousel option, which we've seen for a while. But if you have these types of question and answer social sites like Quora and stuff like that, Reddit and stuff like that, definitely take a look at this structured data because that might help you get more visibility in the search results. Google said do not use this Q&A page structured data for FAQ pages. It's not designed for that, so don't use it for that. Google also said it's worthwhile having unique images on your stories. Without it, Google will just consolidate the images in image search and not show all your pages in search results, just show the best page or whatever it might be. But if you want each and every single page to show up in the image search results, you need to have a unique image for each one. Of course, most people don't do that in the news publishing world. They reuse images over and over again, but it is what it is. Google Assistant is testing and piloting a new feature for audio news, specifically for broadcasters and podcasters who produce audio news on a daily basis or regular basis. So definitely take a look at that if you're in the business of producing those types of things. There's new structured data and stuff that Google's experimenting with that you might want to take a look at. Google Local is testing new design for showing images within the Google My Business listings. Here's a look at it. A little carousel type of thing. You could filter by all images, inside images, by owner, videos, and it even says inside and stuff like that. So definitely take a look at that. I haven't seen it roll out yet, but some people are seeing that. Google Posts is also testing like buttons on posts. You can actually like a specific Google post in Google My Business listings. Here's a screenshot showing the like button. Google also is testing a sold here feature in the Google local listings. It kind of reminds me of the mentioned here feature, but sold here says, all right, this item that you search for, ceiling fans, is sold in this store, which is nice to see. And also, I'm not exactly sure how it works, but it works. And also Google has uploaded their holiday decorations for the holiday season. So you got the Christmas. If you search for Christmas or related keywords, you get the Christmas design on the search results. You search for Hanukkah or related to Hanukkah searches, you get the menorah design. And if you search for Kwanzaa, you get the Kwanzaa design for that holiday. In any event, thanks so much for listening to the Search Buzz video recap. My name again is Barry Schwartz, and this is the search news we covered over at the Search Engine Roundtable at roundtable.com over the past week. Today is December 7th. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next. Bye.